Page 281, I'm going to do numbers 7 and 25 together because they're very similar. Number 7 is again the same directions as our previous videos. We're to evaluate the logarithm expression without a calculator. And I can see from what's given, log 10 to the third, that since there is no base listed here, that it is base 10. So I can use the same property which I used in the last example, which was log base b of b to the y is going to equal y. And so since I have log base 10, 10 to the third, the answer to number 7 is going to be 3, that exponent of the 10. And we are done with number 7. Now number 25, this is the first time we're being asked to use a calculator because it's very, very difficult to write 9.43 as a base 10 number because I can see that since I just have a log, I'm dealing with base 10 logs. So what we want to do then is just pull up our calculator, and we want log of 9.43. So there is a log button right on the screen, so you press that, and then you type in the number that you want. So we want 9.43. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and we can see that it is approximately 0.975. So I'm going to enter that as my answer. So this is approximately 0.975. Now we are asked to check our answer by substituting it back in our base. So what I want to check is 10 to the 0.975 power equal to 9.44. So I'll pull up my calculator again. I'll put in 10, and I will raise that to the 0.975 power. I'll hit enter, and you see that it is almost very, very close to 9.43. So that is going to be our answer.